Hello students, in today's lecture we start with the practical questions on the bill of exchange, as we already completed with the meaning of bill of exchange and all the accounting treatments, all the journal entries which is to be recorded in the books of drawer and drawee. So today onwards we will start with the practical problems on the bill of exchange. See that in the textbook page number 305, exercise question of unsolved. First question is given: on 1st January 2020, Hemant sold goods rupees 8,500 to Nitin. On the same date, Hemant drew a bill of exchange for 18,500 at 2 months. On the due date, the bill was duly honored. So how to solve this question? So before to start solving the questions on the bill of exchange, remember the steps that should be followed while solving the question. First, read out the question. Second, find out the drawer and drawee. Third, find out in whose book we have to record the journal entries. It means in the books of drawer, in the books of drawee, or in the books of NOC. Then one by one, read out the transaction, and then we will start solving with the questions. So first, it is given that on 1st January 2020, Hemant sold goods of rupees 18,500 to Nitin. So Hemant is selling the goods to Nitin, right? So Hemant will draw the bill. So who is the drawer? Hemant will be the drawer. Who will be the drawee? Nitin will be the drawee. And we have to write the journal entries, or we have to write the journal book for the Hemant and Nitin. It means journal in the books of drawer, in the books of drawee, right? And on the same date, Hemant draw a bill of exchange of rupees 18,500 for 2 months, and the bill is honored on the due date. So see that in short we are writing already that who is the drawer? It is the Hemant. Who is the drawee? It is Nitin. Date of the bill is which? 1st January 2020. And for how many period the bill is drawn? It is drawn for 2 months. And what is the bill amount? It is 18,500. So we have to write the journal entry in the books of Hemant, who is the drawer, and in the books of Nitin, who is the drawee. So as we are knowing that the first is selling of goods on the credit. So first entry in the books of drawer, it is 2020 January 1st, goods sold on credit. So in the books of a drawer, we are knowing that Nitin is the receiver, personal account. So Nitin account debit 18,500. Sell as nominal account, it is an income for the drawer. So to sales account being goods sold on credit. And at the same time we are writing in the books of a drawee the opposite entry, because for him he is purchasing the goods. So for him purchase is a nominal account, debit all expenses. So purchase account debit. And who is the giver? Hemant is the giver of the goods. So to Hemant account being goods purchased on credit. So first entry completed. Second, we knowing that bill is drawn for the period of 2 months, right? So in the books of Hemant, that is the drawer, bill is drawn, right? So bill receivable, as we are knowing, it is a real account. Debit what comes in, Hemant is receiving the bill. So bill receivable account debit 18,500 to Nitin account, who is the giving of the bill after acceptance, after signing Nitin. So Nitin account credited being bill drawn and acceptance received, right? The date is same because it is written, the date is same in the question. Now in the books of a drawee, Hemant account to bills payable account being our acceptance given, right? And now we knowing that in the last it is bill honor on the due date. It means drawer is receiving the money. So cash comes in and bills is goes out. It means the end of the bill. So cash and bank account debit. See the date, 2 months, January 1st to February 1st to March 1st. It is the 2 months and 3 days as a grace. So 4th March. Cash and bank account debit 18,500 to bills receivable account 18,500. So being bill duly honored on due date. And in the books of drawing, see that March 1st, bills payable account debit to cash and bank account. So being our acceptance honor. So the question is completed. All the transaction is completed. But see that they are asking one more question, that is prepare Hemant's account in the books of Nitin. Now what is this meaning? Hemant's account in the books of Nitin. It means we have to prepare the ledger, we have to prepare the account of a Nitin in the books of Hemant in the books of Nitin. How it is? See that. Nitin, we have to prepare the Hemant. It means whatever is the journal entries in the books of Nitin regarding the Hemant name, that we have to post it in the Hemant ledger account, right? So first we have to draw this ledger in the books of Nitin Hemant account, right? Now how we post the journal entries, see one by one. See that. What is the first entry? 2020 January 1st, purchase account debit to Hemant account. It means in the first entry the name of the Hemant is appear, right? It means this entry we have to write in the Hemant ledger. How you will write? The position of the Hemant is, it means what? That we have to transfer this entry into the ledger of Hemant. Hemant is on the position of a credit, right? Complete it. Side. See that Hemant's ledger debit side, it is given two bills payable 18,500, and if you will see this whole, the both debit and credit total will be 18,500. And what this indicates? This indicates that Hemant sold, it means Nitin purchased the goods from the Hemant 18,500 on the January 1st 2020, and Nitin signs the bill drawn by the Hemant on January 1st 2020. So the Hemant's account is closed in the books of Nitin. See the second question. Neha sold goods to Rohan rupees 42,000 on 6 September 2019, right? See that in the last it is given, you have to pass the journal entry in the books of Neha and Rohan in the both the books. And who sold the goods? Neha sold. It means Neha sold, Neha creditor, Neha will prepare the bill. So Neha is the bill drawer and Rohan is the drawee. So you have to write the journal entries in the books of drawer and drawee, right? So how you will solve this question? First write down the working note. And writing of working note is not necessary, but it will makes you to write the journal entries very easily, right? So how you will write the working note? See that. What we have first read, Neha sold goods on Rohan 42,000 on 6 September 2019. First we will write who is the drawer? Neha. Who is the drawee? Rohan, right? And what is the goods sold amount? 42,000, right? On which date? 6 September 2019. And what is the first transaction said? Goods sold on credit, right? Now see the second. Neha draw bill of exchange at 3 months for the amount which was accepted by Rohan. The second transaction said that bill is drawn and accepted for the period of 3 months. So you are writing bill drawn and acceptum. Period is how much? 3 months, right? Now see the next. Neha discounted the bill with her bankers for rupees 41,000. It means third transaction says that bill discounted with the bank. As we are writing the third transaction, bill discounted with the banks. Bill amount is how much? 42,000. Discounted 41,000. It means discount amount is how much? 1,000. Now what is the last says? The last said on the due date of the bill Rohan dishonored the bill and bank paid rupees 300 as a noting charges. It means on the due date Rohan is not paying the money to the Neha. It is dishonored. So the next entry will be dishonored. But which dishonored? So bill is not the normal bill. It is a discounted bill. So the last entry will be discounted bill dishonor with noting charges paid by bank rupees 300. What is the noting charges? It is a fees paid to the notary public who is a government official appointed to handle the cases of bill dishonor, right? So when we are writing this type of working notes, it is very easily to write the journal entry in the books of a drawer and drawing. So now simultaneously we will write the journal entry in the books of drawer and drawing. In the books of Neha, she is the drawer, and in the books of Rohan, he is the drawee, right? So as the first we are writing goods sold on credit. So the first entry will be 2019 September 6. You have to write the date, particulars, all details, headings, right? So first entry for the goods sold on credit, what is that entry? Rohan account. It means Roy's account debit 42,000 to sales account 42,000 being goods sold on credit, right? Now in the books of Troy it will be purchase because he is purchasing the goods. So the purchase account debit to Neha's account being goods purchased on credit, right? So now you will understand how very easy when you are preparing the working notes for the question. So what we are writing second? Bill drawn and accepted. So the second journal entry will be as bill receiving. So remember these two entries are compulsory in your each and every bill of exchange question, right? So the second entry, the date will be the same. Bill receivable amount debit 42,000 to Rohan. It is a drawee. 42,000 being bill drawn and acceptance received. Simultaneously this entry will be in the books of drawee, that is Neha's account debit to bills payable account, right? So being our acceptance given, and see that the third what is given? Bill discounted with the banks. After acceptance received, Neha discounted the bill with the bank. So we are writing the entry as Neha is receiving the what is the bill discounting? Encashment of a bill before its due date with the bank. It means Neha will receive the money from the bank before its due date. So money comes in, so bank account debit 41,000. Discount, why discount debited? It is a nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, and the Neha is not receiving total 42,000. Neha is receiving only 41,000. So for discount it is and his losses, her losses. So the discount account debit 1,000 and credit bill receivable, because now bill receivable is not in the hands of a Neha, it is in the hands of a bank. So bank account debit, discount account debit to bill receivable account being Rohan acceptance discounted with the bank. What entry you will write in the books of a drawee? As we are knowing, after signing, after accepting the bill and sending back to the drawer, there is no involvement of a drawee till the bill honored. याचाच अर्थ असा होतो की जेव्हा ड्रॉईने एकदा बिल साईन करून ड्रॉवरला दिलं त्यानंतर ड्रॉईचा त्या बिलाशी संबंध नसतो. ड्रॉईचा संबंध त्या बिलाशी डायरेक्ट पैसे देण्याच्या वेळेला येतो. त्यानंतर ड्रॉवर ते बिल डिस्काउंट करत आहे, आणखीन कोणाला देत आहे की बँकेला कलेक्शनसाठी पाठवत आहे, त्याच्याशी ड्रॉईचा संबंध नसतो. त्यामुळे बिल डिस्काउंटची अशी एंट्री या बुकमध्ये येणार नाही. रोहनच्या ड्रॉईच्या बुकमध्ये ती एंट्री येणार नाही. सो नो एंट्री फॉर द बिल डिस्काउंट इन द बुक्स ऑफ Rohan. Remember this. And the last entry, discounted bill dishonored with noting charges paid by bank 300. Now Rohan is not paying the money. Rohan is not making the payment on the due date. So the last entry, remember one thing, whenever there is a dishonor in the books of drawer, always debit drawee. Whom you will debit? Always debit drawee, and amount will be 42,300, 42 bill amount, noting charges 300, and credit whatever is the option. Suppose bill is in the hand of a drawer, then here bill receivable discounted, then bank, endorsement, then endorsee, bill sent to bank for collection, then bill for collection. Always debit, drawee, credit, whatever is the option. Being discounted, bill dishonor on the due date and noting charges paid by bank. Now, what will be the entry in the books of Rohan, who is the drawee? See the entry, bills payable account debit, right, because bill is dishonor. So bills payable account debit 42,000. Noting charges, why it is debited? Because he has Rohan, because of Rohan, the drawer Neha has to pay the 300 rupees as a charges. So the Rohan will pay the 300 extra. So the noting charges will be debited to Neha account 42,300. being our acceptance, dishonor and noting charges payable. noting charges आपण डेबिट केले कारण हे एक्सपेन्सेस आहे जे ड्रॉवीलाच बेअर करावे लागतात, कारण ड्रॉईने ड्यू डेटला ड्रॉवरला पैसे दिले नाही, त्याच्यामुळे ड्रॉवरला नोटरी पब्लिककडे जावं लागलं, त्याची फीस भरावी लागली. त्यामुळे बिलाच्या पैशांसकटच नोटिंग चार्जेसचे पैसेसुद्धा ड्रॉई बेअर करणार आहे, ड्रॉई देणार आहे. म्हणूनच नोटिंग चार्जेस ड्रॉईसाठी काय झालं, एक्सपेन्सेस झाले. त्याच्यामुळे एक रूल लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे, नोटिंग चार्जेस अकाउंट हे नाव फक्त ड्रॉईच्या बुकमध्ये येतं, ड्रॉवरच्या बुकमध्ये येत नाही. ड्रॉवरच्या बुकमध्ये चुकूनही नोटिंग चार्जेस अकाउंट लिहायचं नसतं. ड्रॉवरच्या बुकमध्ये नोटिंग चार्जेस हे ऑलरेडी इन्क्लुडेड असतात, कारण नोटिंग चार्जेस ड्रॉवर देत नसतो. नोटिंग चार्जेस कोण देणार आहे? ड्रॉई देणार आहे. सो नाव second question also completed. If you are having any doubt, then you can ask.